Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from DBmaestro. My name is Praveen and today I'm going to show you how to install DBmaestro's source control application. So without any ado, let's jump right into it. Once you have the zip file extracted, click on the installer. That will open up the DBmaestro wizard. There you go. You can click on next, read the agreement. Once you read it, check the box and click on next. In this window, you provide where you want to install your source control application. You have the ability to change the folder. For this install, I'm going to use the default location. So in the Git Remote section, you will be providing a URL to a Git repo. And that repo will store all the project information, the users in the source control application. All the informations will be stored there. So you need to provide the main branch, the username, and all provide the token, not the password. Once you test the connection and the connection is okay, you can click on next. Then click on install to install the source control application. Let's give it a few minutes. So the installation is complete. You can click on finish. So once the installation is complete, you should be able to see the icon in the front desktop. But I have my icons hidden, so I'm gonna click on the icon from the start menu, and that should open up the DBmaestro source control application. And there you go. This is how you install DBmaestro source control application in Windows. If you would like to see a demo for our source control tool or the CI/CD tool for databases, feel free to contact us. I hope the video was helpful. Thank you so much.